gonna start off with 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of almond butter, half a cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 cup of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and we're gonna use half of this extremely large avocado. If not, you can probably use 1 medium avocado. Set the oven to convection bake. Set it to 325. Let's cut the avocado. Let me just scoop out some of this stuff. Kind of cut it up a bit so it's easier to mash. So we got the avocado in there and we just have to mash it up. The avocado is all mashed up now. Let's add in the half a cup of cocoa powder, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of smooth almond butter, chocolate chips. This is everything. Your batter should look something like this. So you're gonna put it in your 8x8 baking pan, line that with parchment paper, top with some chocolate chips, and we're gonna put it in the oven. Look at that. Okay, let's take a bite. Oh yeah.